Something plus 2 equals 7. Let us call this something a letter. And the letter we'll be using is x, you might have heard before. Meaning, let us use x as this missing number we're trying to find that when added to 2 equals 7. This variable is the missing piece that needs to help the left side of the equation and the right side of the equation be equal to each other. So x plus 2 equals 7. How could we possibly solve that? Well, you notice you can actually subtract the 2 from the left and the right side, thereby canceling the 2 on the left and leaving x isolated. Remember, when solving for x, it is important to isolate it on one side. So x plus 2 and subtract the 2 from the 2, which makes it equal to x, and the 7 minus 2 on the right side equals 5, which gets us x equals 5. We solve the variable, but let us plug it back in to make sure it is correct. If we substitute 5 for x, we get 5 plus 2 equals 7, and 7 equals 7, so therefore x is equal to 5. Let us try a couple more examples. X plus 5 plus 7 equals 20. Well, we can do 5 plus 7 first to simplify the left side to get x plus 12 equals 20. Next, we subtract the 12 from the left and the right to cancel the 12 on the left to isolate x in order to get x equals 8 as our final answer. Let us try another one. X minus 6 plus 8 equals 10. Well, let us simplify the left side first. So negative 6 plus 8 equals 2. So now we have x plus 2 equals 10. Remember, we have to isolate x. So in order to isolate x, we subtract 2 from the left side and the right side in order to get x equals 8 as our final answer. Let's do one more example together. X minus 9 minus 10 equals negative 19. Well, let's simplify the left side like we have been doing. X minus 9 minus 10 equals x minus 19. So we have x minus 19 equals negative 19. Now in order to isolate x, we add 19 to both sides. So x minus 19 plus 19 equals x, and negative 19 plus 19 equals 0. Therefore, x equals 0 as our final answer. Hopefully you guys follow those 3 examples and hopefully they made sense. This last example, I want you guys to pause the video and try it out. This is an on your own problem, and try your best to solve this problem before clicking play again to view the answer. Well, here's my work, and hopefully you guys were able to follow along and get the same answer as I did. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more future math content like this that I'll be covering on this channel. And until next time, thank you guys for watching.